Your haters. So this is the shot I'm looking for right there. You can see that dinner table, and I need birdies here overlooking the bridge. So that's a plan today. If I got it, you guys can see on my feed and my Instagram also. My Instagram is also Calicam42 for the photography. And let's see. No luck yet. Meanwhile, enjoy this beautiful sunset. This cargo ship looks so beautiful, guys. Look, wow. Ogden, welcome to the channel. Sarah, welcome. So beautiful, and at night too. Yes, Susie. It is beautiful. Pacific Ocean.